For this example illustrating a related samples t-test, we'll look at the following vignette. The superintendent of a local school district was concerned that the absentee rate among some of the high schools was exceedingly high. She had attended several conference presentations that seemed to indicate that students attending alternative schools, which focused on topics of interest such as music, the industrial trades, and arts, had very good attendance rates. She decided to write a grant to fund this type of alternative school for her district. The grant was approved and she decided to track attendance rates for 12 students selected at random who attended the school. So what we're going to do is analyze that data and interpret the results to see if we can answer the research question, will allowing students to attend an alternative high school decrease rates of absenteeism over the course of the school year? So I have the data loaded into SPSS, and I have the first semester absentee rates and the second semester absentee rates. So what we're going to do is we're going to analyze this data to see if there was a significant change over time. And of course, what the superintendent is hoping is that she will see an overall decrease in absentee rates from the first semester to the second semester. So we're going to go to Analyze, Compare Means, and then Paired Samples t-test. And then in this window, what we need to do is highlight the first semester and hold down on the Shift key and highlight the second semester, and then move those variables 1 and 2, first and second semester, into the paired variable box. And then we simply click on OK, and we get our output. So this is the mean number of absentee rates for the first semester, the mean number for the second semester. So there was a difference of almost 2 days absence per semester. And we see that right here. This is the difference, the mean difference. This is the standard deviation of the mean difference. Now, this is the standard error of the mean. So this is this standard error is calculated by the standard deviation over n. So the square root of n, which is 12. And so we would get our standard error. And so our t ratio is highly significant. And so we can see that this mean decrease from the first to second semester of almost 2 days was significant. So the superintendent's intervention of using the alternative school did, at least for these 12 students, decrease absentee rates significantly.